I get asked all the time if I have a favorite pizza. Like, all the time. And most of the time, I don't have a very good answer for that question. But it got me thinking, what is my favorite pizza? From now on, my answer is going to be the pizza I'm going to make for you today. This pizza's been a favorite of mine for a long time, and I could honestly eat it pretty much every day. It's this pizza right here. It's composed of a simple tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, crispy pancetta, basil, ricotta cheese, and hot honey. There's only a few items to prep for the pizza, and it's always a crowd pleaser. Let me show you how I make it real quick. First, the pancetta needs to be crisped up a bit. I just toss it in a saute pan on medium-high heat and fry it up until crispy. Depending on the pancetta, you might need a little butter in there to get everything frying up nice. Set that on a paper towel to cool off. Then I'll give the basil a little chiffonade. To do that, stack the leaves on top of each other from largest to smallest and then roll it fat. Now slice it thin. Next, we'll make our tomato sauce. For this, I use a 28-ounce can of whole San Marzano tomato. Add that to my food processor or a blender with a heavy dash of sea salt and a good chug of olive oil. I just pulse it real quick for like 20 seconds. Then I take my ricotta cheese and fill up a piping bag with it with one of those fancy tips. You don't need to do the piping bag thing, but it makes adding the ricotta super easy and it looks pretty cool. Finally, you'll need a little fresh mozzarella and some hot honey. That's all you need. I'm gonna stretch and build this pizza on my home pizza oven dough recipe. There's a link for that in the description, but you can build it on whatever dough recipe you want. After my dough's all stretched out, I'll add my tomato sauce. Then I'm gonna tear up some of this fresh mozz and put it all over the place. Then a liberal portion of that crispy pancetta. Then it's ready to bake. The rest of the ingredients will go on after the pizza is fully cooked. Bake it how you bake pizzas, but I'm gonna go 800 degrees for about 2 minutes in my Rockbox pizza oven. It already looks super awesome, but the rest of these ingredients will take it to the next level. With my piping bag, I'll place dollops of ricotta all over the place, followed by my basil, and finally a healthy drizzle of the hot honey. Boom, a nearly perfect pizza combination of savory, spicy, sweet, and freshness from that basil. It'll make you do the happy dance. Also, check out this crust. You should probably check out my dough recipe next so that you can make crust like this. Or don't, it's cool. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Love you lots.